Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to redeem Microsoft gift card. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open a browser on your PC. For example, Google Chrome, Edge, etc. And then click on the search bar at the top of your screen and type in redeem.microsoft.com and press enter on your keyboard. And make sure that you are logged into your Microsoft account. Now you will land on this redeem your gift card or code or gift card where you simply need to see a box to enter the 25 character code from the back of your Microsoft gift card. After typing in the code, you simply need to click on the next button at bottom right corner, and if the code is correct, the card will be redeemed automatically. And that's how you can successfully redeem Microsoft gift card. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. How to redeem Microsoft gift card.